Hi there, it's Anna from Inspiration Playground, and today I have a cute, fun little tutorial for you. Just some tag topper boxes that I've been making for the kids, friends in the neighbourhood and at school as little Easter gifts. Obviously you could use this for absolutely any occasion. So in place of birthday party bags or at Christmas time, the options are endless. So this is a template that I got from my gorgeous downline Rhonda. So if you check out her YouTube channel Stampin' Koalas, you'll probably see the same kind of tutorial. The measurements may differ slightly because I have altered mine to fit 2 little Cadbury bars in each of these. So let's get started. Let's move these out of the way. Now I have got a piece of Island Indigo cardstock and it's already cut. So it's 5.5 inches by 7 3/4 inches. I've also got a piece of DSP. So the DSP comes from the annual catalogue and it's sweet taffy here. I love these bright, happy colours. So this one is cut 2 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so those are the 2 pieces of paper that I'm using today. The stamp set that I am going to use is For Peep's Sake. I have the clear mount one of these, and I've just used the Happy Hobby Easter and the eggs along here. Okay, so that one there is from the Occasions, this year's Occasions catalogue. Okay, so let's get started. So using your piece of cardstock, what we're going to do is we're going to score it. So we turn it lengthways. Your portrait, I guess, way first, and we're going to score at 1/2 inch. We're going to score at 1 5/8, and then 3 5/8, and then 4 3/4. Turn it your landscape way, and you're going to score again at 1/2 inch, at 3 inches, at 4 1/8, and at 6 5/8. Okay, so there's your piece of cardstock. Whilst you've got your scoring tool out, get your DSP, and we're going to score that at 1 7/8, at 4 3/8, at 5 1/2, and at 8. Sorry about the strange measurements, but I guarantee you it will work. Okay, so I'm just going to move that out of the way. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my bone folder and just score each of the folds. And that little one there. Okay, now the tricky bit with this one is working out what pieces to keep and what pieces to cut out. So what I'm going to do, and I hope you can see that properly, so the light isn't too good here today. So I'm going to cut this piece, this one, this one. Okay, so I'll just hold that up. Just checking that that is right, and I'll just hold that up for you so you can see. Okay, so just using my paper snips, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out those pieces. So any of the products that I'm using today can be purchased by contacting me. Check out my website, www.inspiration-playground.com, and I'll have a list of all the products on there. Also contact me. I'd love for you to join my team of demonstrators. If you'd like some more information, please just send me an email. Alright, so I'm almost done there. Okay, so that's all of those pieces cut out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut down that one and down that one as well. So these 4 pieces here will be the flaps for the and fold in on their box. So what I like to do is just take a little sliver off just so that they fit properly in the box. Doesn't have to be a lot. Okay, so we'll do these ones as well. I'll do this one here too. Okay, so that's what your piece of cardstock should look like. Now what I'm going to do is glue it together. So I just fold it up like this. This small piece here is the part that we're putting the glue on. Okay, so I'm just using my Tombow. Okay, so I just put the glue on there and fold it over like this. It's okay if glue comes out the side because we're going to be covering it up with the DSP. Okay, so we'll pop that aside to dry. So just bring in the DSP, just gently fold those score lines, and then grab your tag topper punch, and we'll just do each end there. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, that. Now I use double-sided tape because I'm a little bit old-fashioned, but you can use your snail adhesive or your Tombow, anything really for this part. So I just put that along the middle section. Okay, and I'm just going to prepare that to add this piece to the box. So that piece there is all ready to go. Now with your box, just fold it over, fold these pieces in, and small pieces all in. Now the outside, just take your corner rounder punch and just cut out those sections. Just make it easier to pop in. Okay. Now what I found with mine is when I'm trying to put these pieces in, sometimes they don't fit very well. Okay, so that one is a little bit difficult to push all the way in. So what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take a little piece off the side. Okay, and just start with baby pieces when you're doing this, because if you take too big a piece off, the box will hang open a little bit, and it doesn't look very nice when you put it all together. Okay, so that fits in perfect now. So I think we'll probably find the same thing on this side. So we'll do the same thing there. So we'll just take that little piece off. And sorry, that probably looks very awkward to you, and kind of is here too. But that's okay, we'll get there. Okay. And just push that bit in. So there's your little box ready to go. So just make sure that the join is on the bottom of your DSP, and just carefully eyeball that and pop that down. Okay, and then you can, because we put the double-sided tape on, you can just push down the sides there. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is just grab your glue dots, and I'm going to put one in the middle on the top, one on the very edge at the round piece, and one on the other side there. And then just line those up. Oops, it doesn't want to play very nice. There we go. Okay, and there you go. So that's almost ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is just grab my note tag punch, and I'll just punch out the same colour as the base, or as the box. So my Island Indigo. Okay, there we go. And I just use my Tombow again. And pop that down there. Okay, and this one's my little tag that I prepared earlier with the stamping, and then cut it out with the note tag punch. So I'll just put some glue on that one as well, and just put that one on a bit of an angle there. Okay, so the only thing that I want to do now is, so I've just got some rich raspberry ribbon. So I'm just going to tie that one in a bow. Yeah. And then I found the best way to adhere anything ribbon like is with my hot glue gun. Okay, so I've got a bit of glue on there. Okay, and then I can stick my little ribbon on. Okay, so the only thing I have left to do now is to add the chocolates. So work out which side it is. There we go. So they will just fit perfectly in there. And close that up. And there you have it, a cute little gift for the kiddies next door for Easter. So I suppose there's only one thing left for me to do, because there's leftovers. Let's have my very own now. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.